Are you tired of the traditional ways of travel planning? Meet Tripo AI, your new virtual travel assistant. Tripo AI personalizes travel itineraries specially designed based on your preferences, ensuring your next journey feels tailored just for you. Why spend hours researching when Tripo AI can automate the research and booking process, saving you valuable time? Tripo AI helps you find the best deals on accommodations and flights, making your travel planning not only easier but also more affordable. Stay informed with real-time updates and notifications about your travel changes, so you're always prepared. With access to extensive databases, Tripo AI offers you unique travel experiences that you might not have discovered otherwise. Tripo AI features a user-friendly interface that simplifies your entire travel planning process, making it more enjoyable. It seamlessly integrates with other travel tools and services to provide a holistic and efficient travel planning experience. Hear from real users who have successfully utilized Tripo AI for their travel plans and transformed their adventures. Join the future of travel planning with Tripo AI, where your journey begins with a click. Start planning today